This is my client before we started. Her natural hair color was dull. So I began by applying a semi-permanent hair color. After rinsing the hair, I moved on to blow drying. Next, I used a flat iron to further refine the hair. To clean up the ends and shape the hair beautifully. To complete the look, I added hair extensions for volume, carefully placing them to achieve the desired style. With the hair done, I transitioned to the makeup process. After thoroughly cleansing her skin, I began with the foundation and face base. From there, I applied eyeliner and eyeshadows to create a flawless canvas, enhancing her features step by step. In the end, my client was thrilled with her new look. Okay, just turn around.
There you go.
Seeing her happiness is always the best part of my work.
Yes, beautiful. I love it.
Is it good?
It's so natural.
Yes. Like it?
I love it.
Awesome. Now I'm gonna just do